record that feel calm, and I'm in constant confrontation with what I want and what is popping in the industry. It seems to me that singles on the radio are currency. My creativity's on the field when I'm playing true. They say you're lame, boy, lame, boy. We go where we want to. They think this thing is a highway, highway. Will they be alive tomorrow? Baby, alive tomorrow. I'm sorry for the question I asked last. Scared you a bit like a hazmat in a gas mask. If you ask that, cause my brother he likes when I rap fast. But let's backtrack, back to this. Who would you live in that for on that list? But the problem is, there's another list that exists, and no one really wants to think about this. Forget sanity, forget salary, forget vanity, my morality. If you get in between someone not living me, you're gonna feel the heat of my cavalry. All these songs I'm hearing are so heartless. Don't trust a perfect person, and don't trust a song that's flawless. They say you're lame, boy, lame, boy. We go where we want to. They think this thing is a highway.